Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos in the background on iPhone. So you can use other apps while listening to a song or podcast or whatever you want from YouTube. So we aren't going to use the YouTube app for this method because that's going to open picture in picture and we don't want that. So open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and then you want to go to youtube.com. Now tap on the little letters here and click on Request Desktop Website. This will open the desktop version of the YouTube website and now search for a video that you want to watch in the background. It can be a song, podcast, vlog or whatever. I'm going to open this song here. So when we open it and play it, it will go to full screen. So close the full screen and make sure that the video is playing. Now exit Safari and the video will stop playing. But all we have to do is open the control center and the video will be here. So just click on play and our YouTube video will continue playing in the background while we use other apps. So that's it for this video. That's how you can play YouTube videos in background. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.